Hi guys, my name is Kumar Roy. I have made video previously on BEPS. BEPS is basically known as base erosion and profit shifting strategy, one of the topic which we learn and talk in international taxation, and some action plan suggested by the OECD to a country to overcome from this type of strategy used by the multinational corporation for the purpose of evading their tax and shifting their profit in such a country where no tax and low tax. Now in this video we will talk about why Sensex and Nifty showing increasing trend, because we all know that what happening around us and what happening around whole world, especially in India. Now in this day we showing an increasing trend in COVID cases. In reported COVID cases there are at, at least 9,000 to 9,500 COVID cases reported per day. But due to this fact, also the Sensex stock market showing an increasing trend. There are increasing. Why? I think there are only one reason behind it. The company is releasing their financial statement for quarter one. That means January, February, and March for these 3 months. And we also know that the lockdown was start from the mid of March, not in Jan, not in February. So in this month, especially in January, February, and mid of March, they conducted their business activity very smoothly, and they able to generate cash flow from their turnover, whatever whatever may be their business activity. They smoothly conducted their business and generate cash flow in better manner. But after mid of March, business will be affected because almost all these sectors in India are going or suffering from lockdown problem. I think it is not a we can say that a problem, but in another term we can say that it is a problem for those who is not operating their business activity through online mode. Also online mode business activity is also affected, but not too much affected due to lockdown. But as the special effect of this lockdown on manufacturing sector, and we all know that the Indian GDP, the the large percentage of Indian GDP is depend upon the manufacturing. So the only one reason I believe that the why Sensex and Nifty showing is due to they releasing their financial statement for quarter one. Now the time is coming. Now the time is coming and company will issue their second quarter financial statement. Now this time after releasing not now this time after releasing their second quarter financial statement, we will show fall down in stock market. Why? Because in this period, especially in quarter 2 period, that means April, May, June, the company will not conducted their business in proper manner as we think, especially in manufacturing sector. So there is obvious thing, the downfall is coming. So if person or individual thinking to invest in a stock market to seeing the increasing trend, because today uh, today on when the market is closing, also the BSC, that means BSC and NSC showing an increasing upward. So if the people are thinking this is the right time to invest in stock market, I think it is no, it is not a right time. It is my perception. I because if you think, then you go for fundamental analysis and after adopt better stock. But in long term perspectives we see that many of the companies affected, and the condition is that the some sectors, sorry, not the some sectors, there are some companies which is suffering from their cash flow and they incurred huge losses, and I think they will be going to wind up situation, and they close down their business activity. More than 3 crore peoples in India, as per government official report, losing their jobs. So after releasing second quarter financial statement, we will definitely saw a fall down in a stock market. Now that time we need to very careful, so please stay home to stay safe and just fight against corona virus. And I think only one thing is that which will help India to overcome from this coronavirus cases, only a vaccine. I think what what type of trend we seeing during a fast, during few months, during few days, sorry, not few months, during few days, there are increasing trend in COVID-19 cases. So thanks for watching my video. If you like, then please share and subscribe. If you want a video on investment banking, what is the activity done by the investment banking firms, what are the hierarchy, and what are the managerial structure in the investment banking firm, then please comment below. Thank you.